Hi, it's Marieta. Thanks a lot for tuning in. In this video, I want to talk about how can you manifest love. Coming up, stay tuned. Alright, if you're new here, welcome, make sure to subscribe, and let's talk about today's topic. How can you manifest love in your life? And for those who are interested and you want to dig deeper and you want to learn my secret, how I was able to manifest my soulmate, attract my dream partner into my life, I'm actually doing live webinar training masterclass for those who want to activate their self-love within so they can actually attract that perfect relationship. And the link to subscribe or sign up, register is going to be below this video. So in this video, I want to really focus on how can you manifest that perfect partner, soulmate, twin flame, whatever you want to call it. How can you attract more love into your life? And how can you manifest that perfect person? So let's do this. First of all, I want to start with you don't have to actually manifest anything because it's already here. You just have to tune into the frequency that will match a new reality that you want to manifest. So in other words, you have to tune into the frequency of being in that relationship. And the most effective way to do that, in my opinion, based on my experience, is when you stop trying. Stop trying to manifest the person. Stop trying to attract the right person. Stop trying to visualize and really call in the person. The most effective way to actually do this is when you focus on yourself. Literally, you focus on yourself and you go all in and you put the entire focus on you. That is actually the number one hack I can share with you because I experienced it myself. That's how I manifested my person, and that's how I know for a fact that it works. After I wrote the book, Love is the Law, 21 Universal Laws to Activate Your Genius and Attract Love, and it's all based on self-love, I was trying to manifest the perfect person, and the reason I couldn't was because I was trying to manifest the person. Here's the thing, you don't have to try to manifest anything. It's already yours. Now, this concept might be difficult for some to understand, like, okay, how can I feel like I'm in a relationship? How can I feel loved? How can I feel supported if I'm not actually in any relationship? And maybe it takes a long time for you to do that. Maybe you feel lonely, maybe you feel lost and so on. The way you do it is that you write down everything you would do if you are in that relationship and you start acting as if you are in that relationship. In other words, you start minding your own business. You start living your life instead of procrastinating on things you would normally do when you are in that relationship. You start doing them. For example, if you want to travel together with your partner, you start traveling by yourself. If you want to maybe build your business and you are not confident, you just do it. You start focusing on you. You start doing things that are loving towards you. You start basically building your life like you are already full and whole, because otherwise you are constantly searching for someone to feel the need within you. In other words, to fulfill you. And the right person will come when you don't need the person. And so therefore, put the entire focus on you and stop searching for that person. Stop searching for love. Stop looking outside. Instead, start taking care of you. Start focusing on you. What are your dreams? What are your desires? What do you want to accomplish in this life? Why are you here? These were questions that I was asking myself, and sometimes it's a little bit confusing when, people talk about you should love yourself more. And it's a bit tricky question because we don't know how to love ourselves. Nobody is actually teaching us how to love ourselves. Like, the way we do it is by actually honoring your heart's calling, by honoring your heart's desire, by honoring your purpose and your mission. And first, before you even do that, by defining why you're here, right? So finding and attracting love is really a journey of self-discovery, and it's definitely a journey of self-love, and it is spiritual journey. It's a journey of your soul that is actually getting to know yourself. And through this body and through this persona that you are experiencing in this 3D reality, you're getting to know yourself. You're getting to know your why. You're getting to know your person, your purpose, your mission. And through that self-discovery, one day you will receive a gift. And that gift is your person. Now, when you meet your person is not going to be perfect, just like you are not perfect. But you will help each other to grow to the goal. And in order for you to grow and go to the next level, you will have to heal, right? So part of your preparation for the person should be definitely self-love practice or even healing practice, right? And when I say healing, I mean taking responsibility for who you are, for your past pains, traumas, and so on, instead of blaming and projecting it on your person. Because when you meet the person is just going to reflect back of who you are, what kind of energy you hold in your heart, and the person will reflect back this energy, and vice versa. And the purpose of it is going to be heal each other, help each other to grow and heal. So really it is the number one hack to attract love in your life is really to love yourself. And in order to do that, you have to focus on you, focus on your dreams, focus on your desires, and do you, focus on you, put the whole energy on you, and stop searching for love. Because I promise you, the moment you stop searching, it will find you. And it will find you in a way that is so unique, you can't even predict it, you can't even imagine the way it's gonna find you. And even if you think you can, you can't. Because the universe is way too smart for this type of creation. And you can't predict the creation of universe. So I hope you enjoyed this video. And like I said, if you want to dig deeper and you want to learn how you can manifest love, and you want to actually learn from me how I was able to attract my dream partner so you can live your fairy tale, I do want to invite you, sign up for the upcoming live masterclass. The link to sign up is below, and I will see you there. Have a great day.